playing with my China girl. Wake up mornings, where's my China girl? I could pretend nothing mattered too much when I look at my China girl. I'm a mess without my China girl. Wake up in the morning, where's my little China girl? I feel her heart beating loud as thunder when I look at my China girl. I couldn't, and I feel tragic, like I was Marlon Brando when I look at my China girl. Pretend that nothing really meant too much when I look at my China girl. She says, shh. My little China girl, my little China girl says, oh baby, just you shut your mouth.